Okay, so far whatever we covered yesterday, do you have any doubt? Whatever method we have seen, any doubt or anything you didn't understand before I move to the next topic? Nothing, right?
No, Makan. On you.
Shall I move to the new topic? Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Megham.
Okay. So today we'll see element specific commands. Okay. So so far we have covered browser specific command and browser navigation commands, right? Or methods, whatever. Today we'll see the specific element specific command. So the very first is one method called clear. Okay. So clear means any data, okay, you want to clear first. Suppose something I am typing, suppose I am typing Google, right? So this I want to clear. Okay, I want to clear whatever it's there, the data is available. I just need to remove this. So what you have to do, so there is one method for not clean, sorry, it's a clear. So this is one method, okay, which you will do the clear. I will explain all these things today. Okay, I'm just writing one by one. Second method is called click. So if you want to click on something, suppose I want to click on this, right? So any click action. So this is one method. Second is get text. So get text is, suppose you want to get the text, whatever, suppose this is something it's written, right? So you want to get the text, what exactly is written. So you want to fetch the data. Okay, so this is called the get method. Okay, now something you want to enter, right? So you want to enter something, so this is another method called send keys. So anything you want to type or enter, whatever, or input, so send keys one a method. So with the use of send keys we can enter the data. Okay, so these are most commonly used, okay, methods while doing automation. There are few additional is there, like get size. Okay, so get size means any data it's enter. Suppose for example I want to get the size of this. Okay, so it will give me the size. This thing I will cover later. So whatever the frequently uses I will cover first, then we'll see the next. Okay, so let me open one any. Okay, for example, uh, not Flipkart, I want without any credential site. uh, let's see if I get something. Make my trip. Okay, let's do this one. Yeah, we can take this one today for the demo purpose. So what I will do, get cost something. So I will create a class, okay, and we'll check all the method one by one. Launch flight booking site. Okay, just I'm writing one method, like class. Anything you can give class name. So it should be main method. Okay. So the very first thing what we have to do, can anyone suggest?
System dot set property.
System dot set, but I'm not getting anything. 1 second. 1 second. One second, guys. My system getting hang. Set property, right? Or get property.
Set property.
Okay.
Then WebDriver dot if you're going Chrome, then Chrome.
WebDriver dot, okay. Here I have to mention Firefox.
Yeah, you need to mention.
Okay.
No, it will come right automatically. It will come, I think.
No, you have to type driver.
Yeah, then you have to give the path.
Path name, right? So this is my. So I will take Gecko driver, right?
Yeah, you can take.
Or can I take a Chrome browser?
Let's take Echo driver, right? Echo.
Okay.
So taking Chrome, then you have to mention in the Firefox instead of Firefox, you need to mention Chrome browser, I think.
Oh. Let me copy whatever it is. I will take. Now what I have to do?
Now you have to again WebDriver. It is a interface. Then again
WebDriver.
Yeah, you also have to create any variable. Yeah, equal new. Then again Firefox. Yeah, is there now already?
Okay.
And again I need to get again driver dot. I will this one later.
Yeah, I need to import right first. Yeah.
Okay.
Now
Then again driver dot get. And we have to Firefox that URL.
So the application URL, right?
Yes.
Just copying this application URL.
Can we write here navigate to also?
No. First time whenever you are launching any browser, it should be get method. Okay,
Then
now
you can use delete all cookies. Again,
yeah,
driver
that
dot
we can do
driver
driver dot manage dot delete all cookies, right?
Again, you can maximize the Windows screen. Driver dot
Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, right?
Yeah. Then you can use that what we call again. You want to use thread, right? Thread.
Yeah, thread will do.
Yeah.
Thread dot sleep. So I'm giving 2 seconds.
Okay. Then close.
So when you get an error, you have to just add exception. That's it. Okay. So let me write one system.out.print.
You have to close this window, no? No need to add that one.
Sorry.
Driver.close. After that.
No, that I will not close now because I need to do other activity, right?
Okay. Fine.
So I'm saying launching web application. Okay. This is the launching web application. So I'm giving 2 seconds wait till the time browser load. Okay. Now,
Okay, just a question. Why you are not using the try and catch here? Usually
so
some
try and catch only we use whenever suppose you want to cross check like cross browser testing. Okay, for example, like you have set up two different browsers, Chrome or Gecko. So you want to run with either Chrome or Gecko. In this time, you can. So in framework, mostly we use try catch. That I will cover. But normal, while you are just launching any application, you do not need try and catch. Okay. So when we work on the framework part, that time I will design. So especially for the this try and catch or switch statement will come to the picture. Okay, in switch one case, switch case one Chrome, switch case two Firefox, or default whatever you want to make a default. Okay, but normal without try and catch also you can go, like there is no restriction.
okay.
So now let me run the script. Let's see whether it is loading or not. So the first thing we are doing, just launching the site. Okay, I will search some other today, for next week, so that we can do end-to-end automation for that particular application. So every application, whichever I want to do, actually have a credential issue and all, right? So that's the problem. Or I have to create some dummy email. So can you tell me what is the issue? See, the issue is saying the path of the
So
driver.
for Firefox, you need to mention that gecko.driver.
Where I have to mention
Firefox,
here, right?
yeah.
So this should be Gecko driver.
Yeah.
I am not checking my other codes and all. Okay, because of that I wanted to see the issue. What is that? Let's run now and see. It will run, I think. So this is the set property. So Raghu had yesterday some issue. What happened? He wrote all the things correctly. Okay, so he used uppercase for like driver dot web driver dot driver, Chrome driver or Gecko driver. That's why he was also getting same issue, right?
Yeah, Madan. Uppercase, I used one letter. It
Yeah.
was not giving error, okay. But yeah, that one when I connect with you. It's all case sensitive, I think.
Yeah. So see why I launched this application. Now the problem is I have to first accept all and continue on the site, right? I manually I have to click. Then only it will I can be able to see the uh, application, right? So I have to inspect this first. Okay. So just right click on this, inspect. Now just click on this and hover over to this particular thing. Now this is a button, right? This is button and the class name is also there, right? So let's take the class name and control F and see whether it is unique. Yeah, this is one of one, right? We're getting. Now what I will write, so sometimes see the class name could be very long, right? So here you can use text also. We have already covered, right? If any element is not
Mark,
present.
so Markhan, from main window, we have to switch on this window. Does it need any
No, this is not a window. This is just a pop-up
pop-up?
which you need to, yeah, you need to accept. Okay, let's try whether it's a window or not. We'll get, because whenever you see any window, so guys, good thing you observe. So whenever you see any kind of this, okay, if it's a window, the starting tag name would be always I, like frame kind of, I frame or I. So we'll get to know this is another frame or window. Okay, the tag name always it would be like I or iframe, some kind of. So this is just a button. You can see, right? It's a tag name is a button. So you need to just click on this. Let's see whether it is working or not. Then you will try. So what is the tag name? Button, right? Button equal to what I have to write? No, this is class, right? Class equal to this, and we are going to make a XPath. Okay, let's try on XPath. So bracket start at the rate. Did I close the bracket? No, I have not closed the bracket, right? So we are getting it. Just copy. Now here we will do the first method called click method. So driver dot find element, okay, not element. Then by, okay, dot, this is a XPath, right? So you can see this by XPath ID name, class name, whatever, right? So it should be XPath, but not by XPath. It is the second one. So this first one is a class. Okay, so whatever the first word of any uh, in Java start, if it's in caps, that is considered as a class, right? And any name uh, start with lowercase, it should be always method. So you can see the difference, right? That's why it's a case sensitive thing. So we will be taking the method, not the class. Okay, so it should be XPath. Now under double quote, you will just pass the element. Okay, what I did, I am repeating again. So driver dot find element, okay, dot whatever. If it's a ID, then you will type by dot in small ID. Okay, then within the bracket, you have to pass, and double quote, you have to pass the element. Now this is what method. Again, we need a method, right, to interact with the browser. So this is Now once you close, just enter dot. Now you can see these are the method. Okay, so we need to click on this method, right? So we will choose a click. Okay, so thread dot, again I'm giving, even it's not required, I will give 1 second of thread. Okay, so far you understand what I did. Now the challenge is whether we are getting this page is getting loaded or not. That's the thing. Okay. Let me run and see. It may take some time. Can you see? It's clicked, right?
Yes.
So even yeah, so it's click, even whether it's a clicks or not. So in Java, uh, it execute line by line, right? Step by step. So you can like even check from here also. Click on pop up. So for example, in console, if you are getting the printout, like click on pop up. If it doesn't work, you will not get this print. Okay. Now this is the first launching web application, and this is normal print, and we clicked on this. After that, from here also you can get the confirmation. So because if it gets fail here, it will not come to this. Okay, it will stop there itself. So it will not proceed to the next if one step get failed. Okay, from this way also you can validate. Now this is the 1 second. Okay, so this is the page, right? So this is one text method, right? You can enter something. So same thing, just inspect. 1 second, I need to close this browser. Okay, so just click on that particular box and inspect. Now guys, maybe I am covering slowly, but really it will help you to understand. If I do speed like fast, then you will not get understanding. So you can see this is the inspect, right? So just click here and now see this is the ID, class, these all the attribute, type. Okay, placeholder, there are a lot of attribute. Check with first ID, control C, control F, and paste and see, are you getting? So it is unique, right? One of one. So you can write by ID itself because it's a unique. Let's try all this. Okay, by ID also we will try today. So it should be, the value should be always within the single quote. and the value for which it is for id equal to this, right? So what I have to do, bracket close. Should I use underscore?
I think
Can anyone?
open bracket, I think, not underscore.
Not underscore, right? Correct. So
But in
for
you mentioned something wrong in origin before there is a hash, right? What is that? It was not there in it. Yeah.
which one?
Yeah, that is the one. Origin before, no, there is a hash or what? ID equal.
No, id equal, yeah, this is the value, right? Yeah, that's I
In
am.
the extra one, the hash, what was that?
1 second, yeah. Let me, yeah, this is the value, right? Yeah, this is hash only. Means something, see, you, that's why I'm saying don't type, okay, just copy, because some would be, not visible while you see.
Zoom, no, Martin, I'm not. It's not that much visible. Just make it zoom. Okay.
Okay, now,
Yeah.
so what I did, okay, let me control F.
No, I got it that one, but extra hash is coming. Now, why I'm thinking.
Yeah, when you enter, it is displaying as a extra hashtag. So don't make any changes, okay? Let it be. So let it be. So I'm just first closing the bracket, and it is for ID. What I need to mention here, bracket start, bracket close, but it is not working.
Then use
Can it
at the rate
at the rate
input before forward slash input. Yeah, starting forward slash.
input, right?
Yeah, input is not coming. Then we'll try with Plasma then.
1 second.
Yeah, now it is come. See, that one added extra. That's the reason.
Yeah. So let me check with ID itself.
Yeah.
It is coming, right? Yeah, this is adding extra.
So we have to remove that one.
Yeah, if something is coming, yeah, you have to remove. But I have never seen, very rarely I see, because value mostly people we do not change, right? Whatever the
Yeah,
value.
whatever it is there now, it will show. But in this, no,
Ah,
it is
yeah.
taking
Okay.
extra.
Anyway, so this is the ID, right? By ID we are getting it. So I will just copy. So make sure it should be 1 of 1. So just copy. Now come to this. Now say driver dot find element by is a class, okay? By dot, this is what? It's ID, right?
Yeah, ID.
Guys, please interact so that you can understand. Now what I have to do, it should be what method I should use now. What I have to perform on the actual page. Should I click
You need
or
to
should I enter some data?
type, right? Yeah, enter.
Yeah. So I already said, right, to enter or to input something, we need a syntax. Okay. Now here what you will do, within the double quote, we enter the value. Okay. So I'm saying Bangalore. Okay. This is the value I want to enter, like I want to search. So for example, departure from Bangalore. Yeah. Okay. So this is Bangalore. So even you type, I can do now only, but I just, I will tell you what exactly. So this is the type, right? We should get this one. Okay. After that, once you get, you have to click on this, right? Otherwise it will not come, na? You got my point, right?
What about if we use a tab?
Yeah.
Don't work.
No, once you enter, it is not automatically coming, right? It is showing the suggestion, right? Bangalore, it's showing this. So you have to again click, right? Manually also.
Correct.
You got my point. So
Yeah.
far we will see the type part, then will come the this one. Okay. So just writing enter text box, something I'm writing. Okay, let it be. Let's run now. And when I'm giving thread, so use thread. Sometime what happen, it may take some time to interact with the element. Okay, so give some time, 1 second at least. Now launch again.
So Markin, like each and every time should we run from starting, or can we even run from that page like 2 3 steps before?
Means I didn't get you. Means
So again it is running from starting, right? Now
yeah,
we are
it will
already
run.
in that page.
Yeah, no, you can't run in between, right? How it will interact? Like it will come from the launching the browser, right? Or opening the application, then it will go, right? Simply like you can't
Yeah,
run. Yeah,
yeah. So
it,
that's what I was asking. Is there a way to do that,
no,
or is it like every time we need to run
no.
from
Every time you
start?
have to do. So see, any like any input or any action you want to perform, first you should launch the browser, then application, then all this, right? So this thing will not work. So now see, it's close the pop-up, and is it typing something? Let's wait for 1 minute and see whether it is coming or not. If it doesn't work, we'll get the in console we'll get the error message also why it's not working. Okay, still it is running. Let's run. So sometime what happen, even your locator is correct, everything is correct, even though it will not behave. Okay, let's okay. What is the issue, we'll get to know. Still it is running. Mm, okay, so I'm checking the error. Can't find a file directory. As it is error. No, see, this is the exception we're getting. So element in thread main. Okay, they leave this part. No such element exception. Unable to locate. So it is not able to perform. Okay. So the ID whatever we took, it is not able to perform this. Okay. So we have to check in a different way. 1 second. What is the issue? So go with the XPath now. Okay. So this is the text. Okay, go with XPath. So what you can do, taking the class name and see.
No, Morgan, what I'm searching now, you can add multiple attributes right here.
Yeah, that we can add.
Yeah, both class and that ID and create expert.
Yeah. Okay, then take this. And one more is there for type, right? Type is also text. So I'm first taking the value. Now this is for type. Type equal to text and ID equal to this, right? So what I will do, I will use AND operator, and this is the X path. So the syntax is, before the tag name it should underscore, then here the value I just did, now again underscore, bracket start, now it should be double slash input. Now it is coming, right? Okay, let me copy this.
I suggest take that placeholder. No, it's a departure. Okay, departure place only they mentioned for particular this field. Okay.
No, we are
I think
getting,
it will come everywhere. Okay.
it is one of one, so no issue, I think. Okay, we can use this. Let's check. So what I did, so instead of ID, I would say XPath. XPath. The input, I'm just passing the value, just removing this. Okay, dot like this. One second. By dot XPath, bracket start, bracket close, dot what? Dot it should be. But the question is, why it is not coming fine? Oh, 1 second. Driver dot find element by dot XPath, bracket start, bracket close, then send key, and this should be suppose Bangalore. Okay, now just remove this part, and thread is also fine. So I'm giving 2 seconds. Okay, here sometime what happened, it doesn't work, like 3 seconds I gave, and let's see now what happened, because our locator is okay. And what happened, some for some application, the attribute value get changed. Okay, it's a dynamic. So suppose the way we found, right, once you launch, while launching itself, sometimes the value get changed. Okay, if that is the case, so we cannot use this way, so we have to think in a different way. Then let's see what's the if it's work or not. So sometimes even when you do not use a wait uh, after one element or two, like it manually also taking time, right? So you have to use a thread. So maybe I use a less minute seconds, so that's why I just increase the thread and see. So now it's launching the browser. Okay, it will now click on this pop-up. Now it is coming, right? But one thing I have to, anyway, it is coming, right? So that, so we manually, when we search, we got some suggestion, right, for Bangalore, some airport and all, but now it is not coming. So okay, so manually what we do, I don't know, I'm not
Search
familiar.
BLR or no? BLR.
Sorry,
BLR.
BLR.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
BLR.
BLR, no, that box.
Yeah, BLR this box, yes.
Yeah.
But if you, but here in automation, what happened? It is directly, coming the Bangalore, right? So let's see
Okay.
if it is working, then fine, no issue. If doesn't work, then we'll do all these experiments. So until or unless we don't get any issue, if it is working, that's fine. So it is taking Bangalore. Even I click, okay, it should click on this, right?
Yeah.
It should be like this, right? Okay. So what we can do, yeah, if I, okay. So let me,
Now select this one. Now select, then we can find the for element for this BLR. No, we can directly add, right?
that I'm inspecting actually. So the problem is here, once you select this, let me check this element. Okay.
Is there no bottom pan class BLR?
Yeah. This is span highlight. We can use a text also for this. Okay. So for text, anyone remember what was that?
You're talking about link text, right?
No, not link text. This is for text only. Anyway, we'll use this. Let's see, highlight class also. The span class.
Then tag name should be mark, not span, I think.
Mark class, right?
Yeah. Maybe the
Mark class.
not
This
here.
is
Not here. So remove that mark. Put
no.
this
One second. Yeah, I got it.
the span. Okay, I can make it shared. How it is coming.
Yeah, it is coming. Let me take. But one thing, something weird. When I search Bangalore, let me type BLR, right? And BLR, right?
BLR.
Okay, BLR. Let me try this way because I need to get the suggestion, but it is just pasting the data.
Or else you can try with starting 3 letters. It will show what our name in that.
Yeah, let's see BLR whether it is once I type it is. Yeah, I should get the suggestion once I type BLR. Let's see.
Or can we do like find that element and click that box? Then if we type,
Which one?
BLR
First,
box.
we've first.
instead of directly sending key, first click that, then type. Not
Okay.
sure, I'm just.
Let- So you are saying this is okay. First, click on the department departure place. Click action, right? This is what you are saying.
Yes, correct. First click that box, then if we type, will we get the suggestion?
That also we can try it, no issue. Let me comment this line. Okay, so you are saying first click on this, right? Click on this box. Let me inspect.
We already done, right? That origin.
No, we yeah, we inspect, right? So we have this. So we are passing the data instead of she's saying just click, right? Dot click. First it should click. Okay. First it should click. Then we should type.
Yeah, type something there. Something else.
So again I'm saying driver dot find element by dot xpath. Same thing, same element, right? We'll just pass dot send key. Now the question is BLR. If I type, what is the output? Okay.
BLR.
Oh, sorry. BLR. Okay. I should get this kind of pages, right? Before I do any action. Okay. Let it be. So what I'm doing, I'm writing same BLR. Okay. So I will be using thread because we should know, because we should give some time to display that. Okay, so the thread I use, let's run and see. Maybe I took some complex application really, but anyway we will learn, right? Flipkart, Amazon, it would be very easy for you guys to automate. Okay, but I don't want it to do Flipkart and all. That's why. So I will use little bit tough. Then you can go with the easy kind of application. So this is the assignment for you guys on this particular, and try everyone to just do the all this possible way to automate whatever you want to do. Okay, so in next weekend we can have a demo from you also, whoever tried. So it will wait. Now it is coming, right? So if you do not use thread, again you will get some error. Okay, so always if there is some UI where you need to wait, okay, manually also search and you need to wait for some few seconds, use thread. So it will interact with the element. Now we need what? We have to select on this, right? So just don't click forcefully, okay? Just right click and inspect. Because when I learn, I used to click forcefully on that particular element itself, and I was not able to do. So I learned from my mistakes. Okay, now, so I had two things. Either you can click on this or this. Both are okay. Okay. Uh, Let me just, okay. So you can see one thing, this entire page, it's come under what? Div, right? Div class. This is the entire. But if see, you can see India, it's coming to this. If I select Bangalore, it is coming this way. Or if you see the BLR, so we'll check with the text method first. Okay, text method, have you remember guys, I covered, right? Let's assume there is no attribute, and whatever the text is written, we can create this, right? What I mean to say, we can create a locator for that. So the BLR text we need, right? This is the BLR, right? So what is the syntax for this? Write text. Now bracket start, bracket close. This is so this is coming span, right? Let's see whether it is working or not. So you guys forgot the text syntax or still remember? So this is a one way, right? I already covered, if you remember. Without taking any attribute help, we can find the locator. So this is the text. Okay, so we'll check with this. If it's work, then okay. So what I have to do now, driver dot, and sometime my id gets problem actually. So this is xpath only. Okay, don't get confused. Whenever you use this double slash, it would be always this. Now what we have to do, we have to do the click action, right? So even after click action, do 1 second of wait. Okay, and let's run again. So you may not get slowness in your system, but for me it is little bit slow because I have installed lot of things actually. I have CI/CD pipeline also install everything. Okay, a lot of things. That's why it's slow actually. Also, this welcome to Jetcost, whatever is written, right? That also text we can validate, or if you want to get the text, that also we'll see. So it is coming, right? So it is selecting, right? So now we'll see this way. So the very first thing we have to use the click action, then the send key. Okay, this is what we have to do. So let me inspect it. So this is coming. Let's go with the ID itself and see.
Makhan, I have a question.
Yeah.
When we are clicking on this departure text area, so that time we are writing there, we are passing the keys as BLR, right? So
PLR,
let's say
PLR.
selecting for
Hmm.
any other state. So as we know for Bangalore, so it's BLR, we typed it and we
Hmm.
got it. For any
Hmm.
other state, how do you know?
So whenever you type, like if I type Mumbai, good thing you asked. So for example, if I want to type Mumbai, okay. So once you type Mumbai, you have to wait, and it will show you bomb, right? It's a Bombay. So this is what.
So
So
like we
this you have to
only
pass Bombay in your script. It should be BOM. Okay. Then then you have to do. So see, in real time you will have a scenario, right? Scenario wise, like flight booking from Bangalore to Bangalore to Mumbai, or Mumbai to Bangalore. There would be some scenario, right? Means specific, like based on that you will not do random, right? So
correct.
the test case would be there, like okay, search with Bangalore to Mumbai, or Mumbai to Bangalore, or whatever. So based on that, because every elements will have a different locator, right? So there may be a case. So that's what.
At all,
Okay.
I'm opportunity to write. I mean to automate the entire this what is that traveling website or something. So I
Mhm.
have to go all the that is what say the
Yeah, which
shortcut.
components you need to add? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Correct. Thanks,
Okay.
Martin.
Yeah. So now this is what. Okay. So let me try with ID and text. Okay. Means type. This is one, and type text is text. Okay. And what we are going to do. So maybe we have not covered a lot of things today, because doing automation and explaining it takes time. Okay. It's all about experiment. So this is a type attribute. Just close the bracket. So we are creating XPath for this. Use AND key. Then this is the value for what? This is the value for ID, right? ID equal to this @ bracket start, and this is under input and double slash. So this is our XPath, right? We are getting 1 of 1. Just take this XPath, go to your page. Now what we have to do, again, driver dot find element by dot XPath. Now pass the element and dot click action, right? Same driver dot. I thought it will work in one place, but it is not working. That's why I'm uh, doing for second time the thing. Okay, now by dot XPath equal to, take the same and dot send key. So it should be BOM, Bombay, right? So give 1 second of thread. See what happens. See, while do you automation, the important thing is whether you are able to find the locator or not. Once you are done with that part, you can, maybe it will take some time to understand all